Everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be designing a new Taco Bell house. So, yes, let's go. First, we're gonna do the floors because we don't have any wallpaper, I don't think. But we're going to do the brown one for this room, and then maybe the blue one for this one. Wait, actually, no, this one. Actually, no. We're gonna put this room in here. Sorry, guys, I have the hiccups. We're gonna use some chairs. I'm gonna get beds first. Let's see this one. And then we're gonna get another one. I never put that there, but okay. Gonna get a bunk bed right here. And then and then this room part, and then the parents' room. It's gonna be this normal bed, because usually parents really don't care what bed they sleep in. And then we're gonna get a chair, which is gonna be this right here. But I think I'm done, and it didn't take me that long. But yeah, everyone, bye.